Benecon has over 30 years of innovation in the self-funded medical benefits space. We pioneered the aggregated self-funded medical benefit consortium, which took us from primarily a Pennsylvania-based company to now writing business in over 30 states across the United States.
Veris was built to allow employers across the country, both public and private sector, any industry, to go self-funded safely, giving them the transparency and the protection they need.
When we created Veris, we were trying to look at two concepts, truth and strength. In a healthcare purchase, most often employers are not being given the true price, the true claim projections. When the individuals setting that estimate of claims work for an insurance carrier, it's a very conservative estimate, which leads to a higher price and higher premium. We at Benecon, as the actuarial team, controls the estimate of the claims moving forward. So that is where the truth part comes from. Here's your true estimate of claims moving forward. The strength part comes from the fact that by joining employers together, we could change the insurance purchase. We could change the risk transfer transaction so that it's fair for employers. We have a large collection of employers that are all independently priced, all responsible for their own risk independently, but collectively, we want a fair risk transfer for our employer groups. And that's the same view our stop-loss carriers agree to have with our clients.
Veris is completely transparent as it relates to all of the employer's healthcare costs. The employer knows exactly what they're paying for. They know exactly what's going towards claims, what's going towards insurance, what's going towards administration, and it allows them to analyze their claims and be better consumers of their healthcare.
The largest risk to any employer today on a healthcare plan is the development of a catastrophic condition, or they could hire an individual who has dependents with catastrophic conditions, and often these are long-term. One-year policies from an insurance carrier and a stop-loss carrier are set up intentionally to transfer that risk back to the employer. We recognize that, and we have the solution to take that risk away from the employer. When you join the Veris program, we want to protect you for the long term. Over the period of a decade, an employer is going to have some very high-cost claim conditions. When a group has a really bad year and they see the Veris program kick in and the protection they get, that's truly when the value of Veris is recognized, and Veris sticks by the groups. That's the way it should be when you have a long-term partnership with your employers and your stop-loss carriers, and that's how Veris is constructed.